Imagine waking up, walking past the mirror, and doing a double take, not because of makeup, but because your skin is glowing, your features are naturally defined, and you feel confident, effortlessly. No layers, no filters, just you, looking your best. Sounds like a dream? Let's make it your reality. Today, I'm sharing 40 simple and powerful tips that will elevate your look, without a single drop of makeup. These are natural glow-up tricks that don't require expensive products, beauty filters, or complicated routines. Just honest, effective habits you can start today. And trust me, some of these you've never heard before. So let's dive in and make your beauty routine the best part of your day. Start with a clean canvas. Double cleansing your face is a total game changer. Begin with an oil-based cleanser to melt away sunscreen, dirt, or any leftover product. Let it sit for a minute, then rinse and follow with a gentle foaming cleanser to really clean your pores. It's a small switch that makes a huge difference in your skin clarity. Next up, let's not forget the basics, brushing your teeth. Sounds obvious, right? But consistency here equals confidence. A bright, clean smile is one of the most noticeable features, and keeping it fresh is essential. After brushing, exfoliate your lips with warm water and a toothbrush. It softens dead skin and instantly makes your lips smoother and healthier looking. If your lips are still dry, go in with a lip scrub. It boosts circulation and gives you that naturally fuller look. But here's an insider tip: apply Aquaphor or Vaseline before bed for soft, healthy lips when you wake up. It locks in moisture overnight and works like magic. On the topic of Vaseline, some people swear by using it on their lashes for shine and strength. But it doesn't work for everyone. For some, it can actually make lashes fall out. A better alternative? Castor oil. It's rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, which nourish the follicles and promote stronger, healthier lash growth over time. Now, if you've seen the lemon juice and baking soda hack floating around for teeth whitening, please skip it. That combo can actually damage your enamel. Stick to whitening toothpaste or safe strips instead. Your smile will thank you in the long run. Love coffee or tea? After drinking, rinse your mouth with water. It's a tiny habit that helps prevent stains from setting in. Takes 2 seconds, but makes a big difference over time. Want glowing, even skin? Try the hot and cold water face trick. Press a warm towel on your face to open up circulation, then follow with a cold towel to tighten pores and depuff. It's like a mini spa treatment that wakes up your skin. Struggling with puffy or tired eyes? Cold green tea bags can help. The caffeine and antioxidants reduce swelling and brighten dark circles. It's one of those weird tricks that actually works. Want a healthy flush? Try gently pinching your cheeks or tapping your face to stimulate blood flow. But a quick word of caution: if you have sensitive skin, skip this or do it very gently. No need to trigger irritation in the name of glow. Fragrance is powerful. Choose a light, fresh scent that feels like you. It boosts your mood and leaves a lasting impression. Overpowering perfumes can do the opposite, so keep it subtle and classy. Hair color can totally transform your look when it complements your skin tone. The right shade brightens your whole face, while the wrong one can make you look washed out. So take your time and find what flatters you. And here's a free confidence booster: smile. Genuinely. A warm, confident smile is more attractive than the most expensive lipstick. For your brows, consider using henna as a natural tint. It gives long-lasting, soft definition without harsh chemicals. To shape them, try a touch of Vaseline on a spoolie to brush them into place. Neat, glossy brows instantly polish your look. If you want that soft, wet mascara, lash look without the product, curl your lashes and use a tiny bit of Vaseline. But again, if your lashes don't love it, castor oil is a safer bet. Want a dewy, natural highlight? Dab Vaseline on your cheekbones, nose tip, and chin. No shimmer, no glitter, just that glow from within vibe. For shiny hair, rinse with apple cider vinegar after your wash. It balances your scalp's pH and removes buildup for a natural sheen. Want to clear those blackheads? First apply a toner, then try a DIY pore strip using egg whites and tissue. It gently pulls out dirt and helps unclog pores. Just be sure to moisturize after. A gentle body scrub a few times a week helps you glow from head to toe. Exfoliation smooths texture and removes dullness. Follow it with a nourishing body lotion daily to maintain that soft, radiant skin. If you haven't tried rose water as a toner, now's your sign. It soothes, balances, and preps your skin for moisture. Then, lock in hydration with a moisturizer, and don't forget sunscreen. Even if you're indoors, UV rays are sneaky. Use under-eye patches for quick depuffing before school or work. And keep a brightening eye cream handy to reduce shadows and look more refreshed. Sheet masks are your best friend on tired days. Pop one on for 15 minutes and watch your skin bounce back. For bonus points, use a jade roller over your mask to help the serum absorb better and sculpt your face. Let's not forget nails. Keep them trimmed and clean, it's a subtle detail that instantly makes you look put together. Same with brows, only remove strays and follow your natural arch to keep them full and flattering. When it comes to washing your hair, remember, you don't need to do it 2 to 3 times a week unless it suits your hair type. Everyone's hair is different. Pay attention to what keeps yours healthy and clean without overwashing or drying it out. Body exfoliation, daily moisturizing, and even a sleek ponytail or bun can elevate your look in seconds. A pulled back style creates structure and highlights your cheekbones, no contour needed. Sleep is your skin's best friend. Aim for 7 to 9 hours to reduce puffiness, brighten your complexion, and feel more energized. And don't forget to hydrate. Drinking water boosts elasticity and gives you that plump, juicy skin look from the inside out. Style plays a big part too. Choose simple, well-fitted outfits that reflect your personality. A touch of jewelry or a cute hair accessory can add polish without effort. And here's the truth, the most powerful beauty tool you'll ever have is confidence. Believe in your glow. Your energy, your posture, and the way you carry yourself, all of that tells your story more than makeup ever could. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up. With just a few mindful tweaks, you can look and feel more radiant every day, no makeup needed. So which tip are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss another glow-up guide. You've got everything you need inside you already, this routine just helps the world see it. See you in the next one.